Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!